Wait, what about now?
Yeah, now it's on.
Oh, bet. It's gonna start with you like, nope. Taking this biddy to the gas station. Getting low on gas. Gotta fill her up for the off-roading. Yep.
Oh look, fellow biker.
Oh, he's on the girl. Who looks more ridiculous? Oh, look how slow he's going. Yeah!
Oh, you got fucking slapped in the face.
Dude, this is the funniest place to have a dirt bike.
Last time we were here is under very different circumstances.
We are not nearly as happy.
Now we're just vibing.
But yeah, dude, I filled this up like 1 gallon, like $5, and I got from where I picked the bike up to Dylan's house, from Dylan's house all the way to Swanee. I rode it to school and back and off-roaded. She's full, $6. Oh, okay, Mr. Porsche. You ready? Yeah.
Dude, you know what's great about being a passenger?
Huh.
Not messing with my keys and messing with my wallet, making sure everything doesn't fall out.
That's true.
Connecting my phone and stuff. And then the best part with this dirt bike helmet, it's just like no gloves, just ready to go.
Huh. Oh shit. Jesus. Alright, you ready? Oh no, this guy's gonna be like, what the fuck are these kids doing? We gotta go right here. Yeah, it's definitely illegal.
Illegal?
No, legal. Ready? Alright, here she is.
Alright, give me a tour.
Alright, yeah, I don't know if I could go through the water with you on it though, but I'll go down there and then I'll let you off and I'll show you the route I take. Because some of the routes, it's like, there's too much of a dip. You won't be able to get over it. So, here, watch. It's like right over here.
Yeah, I'll just take it. Here, your shoes got little shoes.
Oh, oh shit.
Yeah.
Dude, doesn't that look fun though?
Let's give it a try.
Oh my god. Here, I'll try and like direct you a bit, but up there you can see the trail I take once you get past this section.
Seems pretty straightforward.
And remember, when you go through the extreme, stand up and get a little speed going into it. Otherwise you won't be able to get through.
Yeah.
So here. Get over here. I'm stuck in the stream. I can walk it up from here. Bike down. He's good. Oh shit, that's heavy. Yeah. Woo. Woo. Fucking bitch. Fucking bitch. Oh shit. That was embarrassing. Oh shit. Alright. Woo. Oh, come on, baby. You know you want to start. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. What? Oh!
Go this way.
Huh?
I'll go this way.
Holy shit, dude. You didn't think I'd send it there, huh?
No. I wanted to, but thought I could be eating.
Holy shit, dude.
They're gonna run me over.
That's so funny, bro. I got me crashing on the GoPro. Oh. Oh god, you want to do these with a person?
Yeah.
We could try.
You gotta get up a little bit more.
Bro, how the fuck are we gonna do this?
You got it. I'll hold on to your shoulders this time.
Alright. Should we stand up on the thing? Or the pegs aren't down.
Nah. Wait, where's my handle at? Alright, here we go.
thought you were gonna hold my shoulder.
I'm gonna hold one with both.
Oh god. Oh god. This is not gonna work. Oh! 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 Dude, I felt you slide off.
I like slid off and held on.
Alright, you're gonna have to hold on tight for this one.
Squeezing.
Oh! Alright, ready?
Yeah. I'm doing that when we go through it though. Oh!
Ah!
Oh, I need like a cool down lap after that.
I can't believe that.